Hello guys, we have some important news that we think you should really know about, and this is going to change how you should approach the next trading periods. If you haven't already subscribed, drop a comment and click that bell icon to stay up to date with your latest crypto news. So the first piece of news is talking about the spot ETF from Bitcoin, because some new contenders are racking up over 150,000 BTCs. Now this is all due to the GBTC's dominance actually starting to fail. So what that really means, so 13 days of trading, spot ETFs actually racked up 150,000 BTC in assets, and we're going to kind of go over those right now, right? So now it's been a lot, so much over 1 billion yesterday. This was coming from BitMEX Research, but it shows that there's a big notable shift in the market dynamics. Now, this is all because of the GBTCs as the dominant player. And it's seeing the share and trading volume actually fall by 36%, right? So that is where you're kind of seeing that rack in. And that decline actually shows that previous peak of 63 and 17. So that contrast between 36 and 63.9. Now, BlackRock's IBIT actually outshined Canadian Bitcoin's ETF. Now we have IBIT, Fidelity, ARK21 shares, Invesco, Bitwise, Valkyrie, Franklin Templeton, Wisdom T, and Van Eck Hodl. So also BlackRock's IBIT Spot Coin ETF actually came as the #1 player, and it passed all of those assets combined under management of all of the Canadian ETFs. Now, there was some research and data came from K33. IBIT holds 621 BTC. Now, the value is around $2.5 billion that overtook the Canadian ETFs like Galaxy, Bitcoin, and Purpose. Now, it's not really much of a overtake. It's around $2.4 billion worth, so 55,000 Bitcoin. Not a whole lot, but it still overtook it. But Fidelity Spot Coin, their Spot BTC ETF and FBTC is following that closely, right? So now the inflows to this is, well, especially BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's, recorded around $208 million and $198.4 million, which underscored that growing investor amount. So Vet Lund, he had a post here that's like 150,000 BTC is held by new ETFs in less than 3 weeks. Slowing down of GBTC outflows led yesterday to see the strongest daily U.S. spot flow since January 17th. But what about Grayscale's position in the market? So the 29th of January, Bitcoins held by Grayscale was around 496,573, 0.8166. And additionally, GBTC's ohm is approximately 21.431 billion. After the ETF passed, Grayscale's users sold 120,000 Bitcoin, which is around 5.5 billion bucks. That's coming from Wu Blockchain on the 30th, so yesterday. But the company actually received recent activities show that the slowdown in the sell-offs is a lot compared to the total deposit of 4.91 to Coinbase. So that's $4.91 billion to Coinbase. So that's where that sell-off went to, and it went, man, it's a lot. But according to BitMEX, the 192 million on the 29th was a lot lower than the usual outflow in the past week, which is around $300 million. Also, we have Chainlink. Now, the price jumped by 6.5%, and it could potentially rally to 25 to 30 bucks. Now, man, that Oracle service provider is seeing that strong rally already right off the bat. So it's about 16 bucks now. But the bigger market shows to really consolidate. So around the 12th spot by market cap. You can see here we have the graph showing. So if you can rally past the $16 mark right here, I mean, it can really start pumping. So we have the liquidity absorption through around 12.20 level. And you have the multiple tests of resistance that's already coming up, suggesting that this upward movement could actually break through. And the BTC and Ethereum dynamics. So really what that means is that the BTC pair for Chainlink is actually showing some signs of bottoming, and Ethereum is displaying the increased activity. So it's very good. Now, Van de Poppe suggested that considering these factors, Chainlink could experience that positive breakout in the near future with around 25 to 30 bucks in the coming months. Now, it's a pretty good outcome. But the price of Chainlink exhibited or is showing a very consistent upward trend, giving that the increasing bullish momentum. All right, so to encourage you even more, the cross EMA 50 to 200 day indicates a high likelihood of golden cross, pointing towards some of the price action in the coming days. So we have some really, really good moments coming ahead of us. Now, the MACD is showing that continuous green histogram, showing prevailing bullish sentiments. And also we have the sustained upward trajectory showing a continued rise in Link price. So very, very good news. So if you're thinking about jumping on the bandwagon with Chainlink, now would probably be the time, given if his Vanpo's predictions are correct. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you think it's a good time to go ahead and enter in Chainlink? Should you wait? Should you hold? Just let me know in the comments below. Subscribe, help us support the channel, and I will see you again next time.